Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 fabulous drink recipes that are perfect for entertaining friends at your next party. Let's get started. Start off with a classic margarita. Mix tequila, triple sec, lime juice, and a splash of simple syrup. Shake with ice, strain into a salt-rimmed glass, and garnish with a lime wedge. For a refreshing twist, try a mojito. Muddle mint leaves and lime wedges in a glass. Add white rum, simple syrup, and ice. Top with club soda and stir gently. Sangria is always a hit. Combine red wine, brandy, orange juice, and your favorite chopped fruits in a pitcher. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours before serving over ice. Transport yourself to the tropics with a pina colada. Blend rum, coconut cream, pineapple juice, and ice until smooth. Serve in a chilled glass with a pineapple wedge. Kick things up a notch with a spicy Bloody Mary. Mix vodka, tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, and lemon juice. Garnish with celery, olives, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Indulge in a peach Bellini. Blend fresh peach puree with Prosecco and a splash of peach schnapps. Pour into champagne flutes and garnish with a peach slice. Add some fizz to your party with a sparkling gin fizz. Shake gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and ice. Strain into a glass and top with club soda. Garnish with a lemon twist. Create a mesmerizing Blue Lagoon cocktail. Mix vodka, blue curacao, and lemonade in a glass filled with ice. Garnish with a cherry and a lemon slice. For a non-alcoholic option, try a raspberry mojito mocktail. Muddle raspberries, mint leaves, and lime juice in a glass. Add raspberry syrup and soda water, then stir. End the night with a cozy Irish coffee. Pour hot coffee into a glass, add Irish whiskey and brown sugar, and stir until dissolved. Top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of nutmeg. Cheers to a fantastic party with these delicious drink recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more entertaining ideas. Thanks for watching.